Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about MACD or MACD, right, and how we use it. Alright, MACD is an indicator that help us to trade. First of all, I want to say that the MACD, this indicator doesn't give us the signal for buy or sell, and it doesn't tell us when to buy and when to sell. Alright, it depends. Some of the traders they use, but when I analyzing the charts, I use the only information I get from MACD. That means I don't use the MACD for signal or when to buy and when to sell. Alright, and the information we get from the MACD we should combine with our strategy. Every trader have their own strategy. It depends how they want to use. Alright, and the MACD can tell us about the momentum of the market, or we can say it can tell us when the market is the strength of the market. All right, and for my analysis, when I'm using the MACD, I want to see the momentum, or in other words, I want to see when the market is going to reverse and how I can use it. I will look into the divergence. For example, now I'm based on the Euro USD and based on the monthly chart. If you can see the price here drop, make this similar to what we have here. But if I refer to here, just very short, the price is this one is break this low, the lowest. But if I refer to the MACD, it's giving me the different information. All right, it's giving me the divergence. All right, when I'm trading, I refer to the MACD to see whether I have a divergence or not. Then from the information I get from the divergence, I combine this divergence, the information with my strategy. Then from there I make a decision, what do I want to do. Alright, but it doesn't mean when I see the divergence I say okay, here I should look for buy and this is the buy and the price can reverse. It doesn't happen all the time. Again, we're using the MACD as information to help us or for our trade. Alright, but why we use the MACD information? Because really for the strategy, especially when you combining the MACD with your own strategy, it can help us to find the direction, the correct direction, the correct direction of the market, and especially can help us when the market can reverse. All right, then if we are in the trade and if we see if we have information the market can reverse, we can take out our trade, or from there we can get a trade as well. For example, here based on weekly, if we see the price was here, it was correcting, but what I can see here, I have divergence. It break this low if I drew here, but I have a divergence. Alright, then based on the strategy I have, I could buy here. It gives me a really nice move. How about the second one? We have one move up, correction, the second move. We have a divergence. Alright. When you have your own strategy and you see this information, this one, if anyone wants to buy here, at least they know there is a possibility of the reversal. That means the combination of their strategy and what information they have from the MACD, then they can make a correct decision. Alright, it was very clear that there is a possibility of the reversal. That means if anyone wants to look for buy, they're supposed to have the proper buy setup or proper risk management. I mean, they know how to control their trade. If anyone wants, any trader buy from here without having the stop loss, what happened? Now we are based on the weekly. We can show based on the lower time frame as well. Okay, but what we can see here, we see the divergence, and in the short period the price reverse. When I'm talking a short period, I want to compare to this one. Okay, It doesn't mean all the times when you have a divergence that directly, very sharply, the market can reverse. Even sometimes you have a divergence, the market continue go higher, like what we have here. All right, between all right. Okay, if I show this way, see, between these two, we have a divergence. Whether the market from here reverse, no, still the market was moving down. We see the divergence and we see the divergence. That means if you look at this move since 2018, maybe from the right from 2018 until 2020, the market, the price was keep dropping, but the MACD was showing me the keep the or I mean losing the momentum. It's showing me the divergence. All right, when we have this, when we see this kind of thing, correction, because it's correcting slowly and dropping, and we see the divergence, what we can expect? We can expect the price can reverse, but when, we are not sure. We should have a strategy to trade, because if you rely on the MACD and from here you see the divergence, you buy, you get this one. If you don't know how to manage it, then what happen? Again, now we are based on the weekly chart because it's more clear to show. All right, but if you know how to use the information from the MACD, you could be in this trade in the really right time around here. All right, how about if we move to 1 hour chart? Okay, what happened exactly? Like just recently, one last day, we have one move. It was a correction. May I draw again? I have one move. It was correcting here. Is a type of the flat based on the strategy Elliott wave, and I have the second move. What was telling me 1, 2, 3. This move already finished, and the price drop was correcting here. If I refer to MACD, I have a divergence. Then what do I need to see here? Okay, when I see this correction, first of all, I have one correction to this move already over, and based on the the divergence I have A, B, C. This is based on my own strategy. After this, what I should expect? I should expect the correction, because I see the reversal. Okay, that's why when we are here, when I was here, I knew that buying is not a really good setup. I mean, is not a really good way, because I don't have even buy setup. What I can see here, one sharp move and correcting. All right, and based on what I have the information, and comparing, combining to my strategy, at least I should get the correction here or reversal. In that case, when I see this information I put together, and when I see the price sharp move and give a correction, I was expecting the next move down. That's very simple. All right, and one more thing, I don't have any buy setup here. There is no reason I buy here unless the price sharply move up and give me a small flag. Yes, maybe I can consider, but what I have the information overall combined from MACD and my strategy telling me that there is a possibility the market can drop. All right, whether I get this move down or not, it depends on the strategy anyone wants using. It doesn't mean we can get this trade, but if I was in a buy trade from here or anywhere, I know how I should know that I should protect my trade. Or second, I shouldn't buy from here even I don't get the sell setup. This is how we should protect our account or protect our trades. All right, now from what I was telling here, that when I'm analyzing the chart based on my strategy in my video, and whenever I am referring to MACD, The only things I wanna you say that we using the information from the MACD when we get the divergence to protect our trade or to get the trade, but it doesn't mean all the time the MACD can give us a reversal, or we don't rely only on MACD. The MACD doesn't tell us when to buy or when to sell. We only using the information from the MACD to get the better trade. Alright, this is what just briefly I want to say in this video, and I will try to prepare better video with more information about the MACD or the strategy I use. I will make it more clear, and in the future I will upload on YouTube. That's then traders they can get the better view how I'm trading when I'm talking about the strategy or Elliott wave or ABC or MACD. At least they know what I'm talking about, and I hope this video can at least bring some information to the traders, and at least they know that when they want to use the MACD how they should use it, and they shouldn't rely on the MACD for buy or sell or any signal. Anyway, thanks for watching.